Welcome to Where To. Today, we're heading to one of the most fascinating places on Earth, Iceland, a land where fire and ice collide. But how did this rugged, surreal island even come to exist in the middle of the North Atlantic Ocean? Let's dive into the dramatic story of how Iceland was formed, a place still being shaped by the forces of nature today. Part 1. Birth from beneath the sea. Iceland began its life millions of years ago, deep beneath the ocean. It sits on one of the most geologically active places on Earth, right on top of the Mid-Atlantic Ridge. This is a massive underwater mountain range where the North American and Eurasian tectonic plates are slowly pulling apart. As the plates separate, magma from the Earth's mantle rises to fill the gap. Over time, this volcanic activity built up layers of basalt rock. Eventually, enough of it piled up to break the surface of the ocean. And that's how Iceland was born. But the story doesn't stop there. In fact, it's just getting started. Part 2. Volcanic Island in the Making. Iceland is still growing today. It's one of the only places in the world where you can stand directly on the boundary between two tectonic plates. Visit Thingvellir National Park, and you'll see the Rift Valley, where the land is literally being pulled apart. There are over 130 volcanoes across Iceland, both active and dormant. Some of the most famous eruptions, like Eyjafjallajökull in 2010, sent ash clouds soaring into the sky and grounded air travel across Europe. These volcanic eruptions aren't just dramatic, they also shape the land. Lava fields, black sand beaches, and steaming geothermal areas are all signs of Iceland's fiery heart. Part 3. Enter the ice. But what makes Iceland truly unique is not just fire, it's the ice. About 11% of the country is covered by glaciers. The largest of them is Vatnajökull, the biggest glacier in Europe. These ancient rivers of ice slowly carve the landscape, creating valleys, lagoons, and waterfalls. When a volcano erupts beneath a glacier, it creates explosive reactions and sudden floods known as Jökulsárlón. The contrast between the scorching heat of the Earth and the freezing Arctic cold is what gives Iceland its nickname, the land of fire and ice. Part 4. A land that keeps changing. Iceland is one of the youngest land masses on the planet, just about 16 to 20 million years old, and it's still changing. New land is being formed through volcanic activity. In 2021, and again in 2023, new fissure eruptions near Fagradalsfjall showed how the island continues to grow, with lava fountains lighting up the sky. Even now, geologists monitor Iceland constantly, as small earthquakes, ground swelling, and magma movement reveal the Earth's ongoing work beneath the surface. It's a living, breathing island, still in the process of becoming. Part 5. What this means for travelers. For visitors, Iceland offers a front row seat to some of the most powerful forces in nature. You can hike through lava fields, walk on glaciers, soak in hot springs heated by geothermal energy, and watch geysers shoot boiling water high into the air. From the colorful rhyolite mountains of Landmannalaugar to the thundering waterfalls like Gullfoss and Skogafoss, every corner of the island tells a story written by fire and ice. Even the landscapes themselves, black deserts, moss-covered lava rocks, ice caves, and volcanic craters, look like something out of another world. Part 6. Why Iceland is so special. Iceland is more than just a tourist destination. It's a natural laboratory, a place where we can witness the Earth in motion. It reminds us of our planet's raw power, its beauty, and its constant change. Few places on Earth offer such a dramatic look at the planet's geology in action, and few are as photogenic while doing it. Outro, thanks for joining us on this journey through Iceland's fiery origins and icy landscapes. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to Where To 123 for more nature stories and travel inspiration, and drop a comment below. Have you been to Iceland? Or is it on your travel bucket list? See you in the next adventure.